and welcome back to yet another section of my Slime Rancher playthrough. I don't know how many of these I'm gonna do. I'm still very much in the beginning right now, but I am excited. I just found this really pretty new vegetable called water lettuce. Ooh, oh no! I just kind of wanted to show you guys, and it just decided... Oh. You know, that was fine. I was really excited about that. Maybe this stuff's still there. Maybe it's still there. I know where it is to go back to find it. I just, I was so excited about it. It's purple, and purple's my favorite color. And yeah, I was so excited to show you guys that I just launched it. Ooh, hi. Access GG log. Well, here we are again. I'm sending the drones out to all their original scouting locations. Once I confirm the conditions are the same, I'll get to work. This place. I still remember being in awe of these rainbow fields. It felt like being in a beautiful dream. And I guess in a way it was, because it ended much too soon. That's a lot of plorts. Hold on. I need these. I am very poor. And I need some plorts. No. You can go free. I need the plorts. Don't even think about it. I need the plorts. Don't even think about it. I want that vegetable. Maybe we're here, I think. So... Oh, I gotta find more. Or die trying. Hi. Accessing GG log. I was so in over my head when I first started here. I remember hauling Jellystone back to the conservatory by hand because I was so excited. Breathless and sweating, I was going about everything all wrong, but I was happy. I feel that. There's little time now, so I'll need these refinery links if I'm going to be efficient. This time, I'm going to do it right. Yeah, for you. Oh. Huh? So can I just... And they just what, stand there? I'm sad about that lettuce. I'll find it. Don't you worry. I found it by accident the first time. Kitties! Tabby slimes! Tabby slimes are great. I love tabby slimes. I do end up... Maybe I like tabby slimes. I do combine them with a lot of other slimes. Hey, Gordo. Oh, if you were lettuce, water lettuce, oh, the chickens. Where would you be? Oh, Phosphorus. Babies. Babies, all of them. Ooh, a stone here. That's the same. Is it the same one? I will find that lettuce again. Don't you worry. I think the only one worried about the water lettuce is me, but you know. I know these tabby slimes would be absolutely crazy. I let them. Oh! Oh, the bunnies are disgruntled. I'm sorry, bunnies. Oh, look, I had carrots for you. I just died. You don't understand. Here, carrots. Carrots, no. Okay, there's carrots. Here you go. Come here. Come on. Come on, everybody. Come back. There you go. See, that's not so bad, is it? Whoop. Nice. Completely missed. You guys are hungry too. I'm sorry. You guys all escaped. There you are. Don't eat everything. Save some for your brothers. Works for days. There's another button. Okay. I guess that answers my question on whether it keeps them out. It doesn't. Not really. I have to put the tabby slimes over here, because otherwise they will be way too close for the chickens. I'm gonna put a couple for now, please. Oh! No, my head! Come back! Oh, nice. One of them is a root stroke. Should be fine. It should be awful. There you go. See? We're all good here. Nope, that's a stone. tabbies? 2? Yeah. Aren't you guys not hungry yet? Never mind. Never mind. They are hungry. That's adorable. Okay. Oh, green, huh? Works for days. Fruits. More chickens. Cotton cat largo? Yes, I should. I should definitely do that. Hold on. Actually, I can do that kind of right now. Come here. Oop, where'd he go? Come eat this poop. Come eat this poop. No? I did not want to eat the plort. Oh, wait. I can do it the other way, can't I? Alright, hold on. I don't want to do this. My temporary. Hey, you. Hey, you. Eat that. There you go. Ah! Thanks. There's some... There's the water lettuce. Get wrecked, little bird. Anyway, there he is. Alright guys, I'm gonna head back to base, because it has been my little 13 minutes again. Thank you for hanging out with me. I'm not sure whether I should, like, wait for a while in between each section, or just keep plowing through the game and make this into a 3,000 part playthrough. Let me know what you think down in the comments. You know, I'm more than open to suggestions, to input. But yeah, I do love this game, and it has been entirely too long since I played it. It does bring me great amounts of joy. So if it brings you joy, let me know, and I will just play full the whole time, or we can take a break, and I can come back once I've built some more. For now, today, it is just me doing what I do. So, thanks for hanging out. I'll be right back.